Oh wow, no one's gonna be interested in e-commerce or personal development on TikTok. This is proof that you're wrong. Final episode. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and effort for following this whole series. I put in a lot of effort and time into filming this. I documented everything from zero. I put in the time to grow my following just so that you guys can have something to follow step by step. That's sort of why I put so much effort into this, because I know that TikTok is getting very big and people don't know how to grow it. Everyone's sort of trying to figure it out, and the people who have figured it out, they're keeping the secrets to themselves, and the ones that haven't figured it out, they're just struggling. So that's sort of my goal with this series, to give away what everyone else is not giving away, give away all my secrets, and the catch is, it's completely for free, unlike all these other gurus that might be charging you to, grow your social media following. So this is the last episode. Let's go ahead and show you guys the results. Before we get to today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, the consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get right into today's video. Alright, so here's a recap on the series. I've uploaded 200 videos. The last time I uploaded was last year. So it's been like nearly 3 weeks since I've uploaded. But as you can see, due to just like the long half-life of a lot of these videos, I'm still getting traffic, which is just crazy. Like, this is just in the past week. Given that I haven't posted anything in the past 2 weeks. So it's pretty crazy that I'm still getting traffic and I'm obviously losing followers at the same time. But yeah, that's the recap on the whole TikTok journey. Very easy to grow. And yeah, I'm planning to sort of even push this even further. But for now, I want to release this series. I might release another series on me going to 10K. But that's the first series on how I literally went from knowing nothing about TikTok to easily growing it to over 1,000 followers. Hope you guys enjoy this series. Bam! As you can see, I haven't touched my TikTok like for weeks and weeks, and we're still gaining followers organically, which is crazy. Like, TikTok's organic reach is so high that old videos are still getting watched till today, and I'm still getting followers every single day just because I got hundreds and hundreds of video and I went off volume as I preached to you guys. When you have volume, TikTok has more options to sort of show your content, and that's why it's so important to go off volume. So it's pretty crazy how I'm organically growing for free. Now, you might ask, what's the point of growing on TikTok? How can you monetize? That's exactly what we'll be talking about in today's video. So how you monetize TikTok is you're gaining a lot of organic reach. Now, that organic reach is allowing you to touch people from all the way from age 7 all the way up to like late 20s. It's mainly around the 15, 16, 17 age range, and that's sort of the majority of your audience. Now, what you're doing with TikTok is you're getting these people when they're 15 to follow and get to know who you are. And if you stick around over the next 2-3 years, all these people that would have watched you since they're 15, now they're 18, 19, 20, and they're at the age where they can go ahead and purchase whatever you have to offer. On top of that, if you have merchandise, all these kids have pocket money. They have parents. Like, they want to buy stuff that you offer. That's how you monetize these kids. Yes, they have less money, but in the long run, they'll age up, and catching them at a young age puts you in a much stronger position when they turn 18. Will they trust someone that's releasing content in 2025, or will they trust someone that they've watched since 2020 and is still posting in 2025? They're going to trust that person that they've sort of watched for the past 5 years. And that's sort of why TikTok is so important. Now, what I do with my TikTok is actually link my Instagram and check out these responses. Here, first person, he says, hey man, how are you? I found you on TikTok. So I'm getting DMs from people that love my e-commerce advice, and they're DMing me on Instagram. I'm actually able to transfer literally around 5 to 10% of my TikTok following over to my Instagram. Now imagine if you had 1 million TikTok followers. That means you could easily transition 50 to 100,000 followers to your Instagram. Here's another DM. Hey bro, I recently saw your TikTok vid. Opened up a store on Shopify. See, I'm getting people who are interested in Shopify. You might think, oh wow, no one's gonna be interested in e-commerce or personal development on TikTok. This is proof that you're wrong. Another person, hey, I saw your TikToks. I wanted to learn from you about e-commerce. See, a bunch of people are reaching out to me for e-commerce because I posted up e-commerce content on my TikTok. So if I'm able to monetize a very difficult to monetize niche on TikTok, which is e-commerce, you can easily monetize merch, products, makeup kits, a cool shirt, a cool hoodie, cool sunglasses. That's easy because kids have money. Kids have birthday money, kids have parents, and monetizing your TikTok audience for just low ticket $20 to $40 item is easy. And those screenshots just show proof of how people actually engaged with my content and they want to know more about me. And that's why it's important to grow your TikTok following. And yeah, that's sort of how we're going to wrap up today's series. That's the 8-day TikTok series, how I went from 0 to 1.5 thousand followers. I think we actually hit 1,400 and something, but you know, I like to round it up. It's just, I'm not going to put 0 to 1,428. That's going to be annoying. But that's the whole series. I showed you guys everything. I gave you guys all my secrets. Every single little secret that you guys saw me prove live, like I would show you guys a tip, I would apply it, and that video would go viral. This series is so in depth. Like, man, like I wanted to package this and sell this course for $49. That could have sold for easily just because everyone wants to learn how to grow their TikTok account following. But I just want to provide you guys a lot of value. And I think that's sort of how I'm going to blow up my channel. In return for giving all this value away for free is you just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, drop a comment below. Help me share this series because it's just so value packed. This is legit a free course, completely for free. Please do that. That's all I ask. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Question of the day. What's the biggest thing you've learned in this series? Let me know. Drop your comments below. I want to hear your feedback. And tomorrow we're going to get back to our usual content where I'm just going to drop more and more value. Don't worry. This isn't going to be the last course I'm going to give away for free. Many, many more courses to come. So watch out for those. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.